This is RFID based door lock. So this one is a RFID reader for taking data from these cards, and this one I use for parallel power supply sharing from Arduino to LCD to controller and to this servo motor for door opening and closing purpose. And also I've used a buzzer for alert purpose in case of unauthorized RFID reader is shown. So this is Arduino Uno controller. Just we need to power on by using any mobile phone charger. Once we power on, it will display RFID based door lock and LCD, and then we need to show the cards here to the reader. Just bring the card closer to the reader, it will read. If it is a valid card, access granted, and door it will open and close. Access granted, valid card, door close. And this is unauthorized card, invalid, access denied, alarm will be on. Same thing it will display on the LCD also. If it is valid, door will open. Five seconds time I have given for closing the door.